want to know how to do a lamp and fan in series or parallel. Welcome back, and today we are going to be doing project 5 and 6. To do project 5, we're going to need a power source, a lamp, a DC motor, slide switch, fan, and of course batteries. So let's get started. Now to try and make it work. As you can see, the light is on, and the power from the light, as you can see, isn't very bright because they're taking a little bit of power, using it to power up the light, but also taking some power to light up the fan. As you can see, they were built in series, one after another. So now we are going to be doing project 6. To be doing project 6, we will have to line everything up. Okay, so if you turn it on, you can see that the light and the fan are stronger. The reason the light is brighter and the fan is stronger is because they're splitting up right here and finally meeting back here again. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and make sure to stay tuned for our next video. Goodbye. A DC motor, on and on switch, on and off switch to try and make it work. This is a parallel. And make sure to subscribe for my cut.